Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the Sony Gtk-Xb72. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker from Sony. The XB stands for extra bass, which I guess is one of their main features on this model. It's a party speaker in the sense that it's set up with lights on it, interactive design as far as controlling lights, sounds. It's portable, but you need to be near a power supply. So I'm going to walk you through some of the options and some of the actual features on this speaker and let you know my thoughts, and maybe you'll find out if this is a party speaker you need to get the party going. Now right out the box, it's about 25 pounds, which is a decent amount of weight, but what Sony did, which I like, is they actually installed two handles, because as you can see, when I pulled the speaker out, I had it upside down, which wasn't an issue with the handles included. It's an easy thing to pick up so you don't really feel the weight. The speaker does look like a quality speaker. It's got that hard surface which may be susceptible to scratching, but the nice thing is it's easy to handle with the two included built-in handles on each end of the speaker. Okay, so here we're going to take a look at the top of the speaker. As you can see, the line lights go all the way up to the top. It's got its obvious power button, the volume up, volume down. On the right hand side you can see the picture where it's got the function button, which allows you to pick how you're going to connect to the speaker, either Bluetooth, use a tuner, or actual audio in. It also has the skip ahead and skip back button, or the tuning, because believe it or not, this speaker does have an FM radio. You have your play and your pause button. It also will accept phone calls when you're connected to the Bluetooth, but if you're at a party, I don't know why you'd want your phone call to be broadcast. But anyway, it's got the add button to add another speaker so you can daisy chain it. The party chain will actually let you turn on and turn off the lights. It's got the live button, which is their way to actually, it's called live sound. So the thing you're supposed to do is you're supposed to angle the speaker in a particular way, different angle, and supposedly the sound will reach a wider area, give you the illusion of a live sound. So I tried it out. I couldn't really tell the difference, but maybe it sounds a lot better when you have more than one speaker daisy chained. I didn't find many instances in which I needed extra bass because this speaker is already very bass heavy. Now as you can see the back of the speaker, it's got the AC in, your power supply. It's got the USB, which lets you charge your devices and actually play music from the USB. It's got the party chain, which lets you connect other compatible Sony speakers to this one to basically increase your range. It's got the mic input, and it's got the volume knob for the mic. It's got your audio input and output as well if you want to connect other devices. Now that's the hideous antenna I was talking about. It's a chrome FM antenna. It snaps in place, so at least it's out of the way. But when you pull it out and you extend it, the speaker looks so nice without it that once you pull it out, it almost reminds you of those old cars along the 1980s, the antenna on a car. Those of you that are old enough to know the reference know it looks terrible. And it feels terrible too. It feels like it's going to bend. The problem with these, if anyone who recalls these type of antennas, if you push it down way too fast, the thinnest part of it, the top uppermost part, bends and it breaks. So it's got an expiration date on it. Now I'm going to show you a few of the features on this speaker that set it apart, that make it more of a party speaker to get the crowd involved or your guests involved. On the left and right side you'll see the video. It'll showcase some of the lighting features that it has. The center will be some of the screenshots of the app used to control the speakers. Now one of the cooler functions is you can actually sync it to your phone, and this is not just one guest, it can be all your guests. As it syncs, the actual screen flashes colors matching the sound, matching the music. Now here you have the DJ control option, the Illumination, motion control, and the party light. Party light was the one I just showed previously where the phone lights up. The DJ control allows you to actually make gestures with the cell phone, and it'll make scratching sounds, drum sounds, percussion sounds, and it'll come across as the music's playing. Illumination will let you play with the lights, actually change the light settings as you're moving the phone. And motion control, basically, that's when you move the phone around, and it'll basically do all the features with just movement. It's kind of tricky, but I'm assuming once you get used to it, you'll become a pro at it. Now, all these features on their own, by yourself, probably not the most fun, but I can see if you're in a crowd and everyone's having fun with the app, I can see how it would be fun. By yourself doing a review, not so fun. In the next few moments, I just try to do a quick showcase of some of the options with the phone where you can control the sound and the music. So it's going to be minimal talking from here on so you guys can see for yourself. At the end of the video, when you turn the lights off, that's when the speaker actually looks pretty good. Overall, I think it's a pretty good speaker. The build quality seems very sturdy, seems very good. The LED lighting looks pretty cool in the dark, especially in a party setting. The interactive controls for your guests seems like it would be a hit. It's gotta be in that setting for you to truly enjoy the speaker. On your own, especially doing a review, middle of the day, shutting the lights off, not so cool. In a party setting with a few drinks, I'm sure it's a lot more fun. So hopefully you enjoy this review. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys.